Okay, this one is about drop shadow. So one of the first things you need to do as a student is always make your dimensions 800 by 660 frames per second. It won't make it default for a student, but it will for me. So as a student, you're just going to have to go in here and always change this to 800 by 660 frames per second. So we OK that, hit Control 2, and to do the drop shadow trick, you just need to have some text. So let's see, text here. And while it's selected, I'll center it to the stage. And as a good habit, let's just hit F8 and convert it to a symbol, a movie clip. For most purposes, I'll only ever use movie clips, not buttons or graphics. Those are kind of old ways of doing things. Pretty much everything now can be done as movie clips. So I hit OK, and then I gotta go inside that symbol. I'm gonna copy this, make a new layer, paste it. So now we basically have text here pasted right on top of each other. So there's two of them. The top one, I'll change the color to be something like orange. And then let me zoom in on this so you can see what's happening. If I click on the bottom layer, which is still black, if I hide the top layer, you can see that the bottom layer is still black. So while I select the bottom layer, I'm going to arrow key down and right, down and right. And so it looks 3D. And if I wanted the shadow to be sort of transparent, let me make sure I lock the. I'll even hide the orange layer just to make sure it doesn't accidentally do something funny. So this bottom layer is black, and I want to make it 50% alpha, so it's sort of see-through. And there we go. Now it looks pretty cool. From this distance, you can't really see it that well, so maybe I'll offset it some more. And that looks pretty good. Maybe 50% transparent is too much, so I'll do 75. That looks a little better. So that's drop shadow. Save it.